Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tantita Johnson, and today I'm back with this half-up style that my model saw on Instagram and that we wanted to try. For this hairstyle, we just flat ironed the hair, and now I make a diagonal first parting that goes from the middle parting over the ear to the back of the head, and I'm just taking soft elastics to bring the hair away for not having it in the middle. I do exactly the same thing on her left hand side, and it's easier for me sometimes, instead of using clips, to use hair ties because everything is tighter. Now I made another parallel line to the parting on the right hand side, and it's about 3 fingers wide, and the rest of the hair I'm taking in a low ponytail so that it does not combine with the rest. And here you see now the 2 part lines, one in the front and parallel on the side behind is about 5 centimeters, like I told you. I measure with my fingers, 3 fingers wide. Now I'm preparing the hair with some hair gel, so I go around the part line, around the edges, and applying with the toothbrush some hair gel just on the top hair. I comb it through, and now I'm going to braid along the front part line. Do 3 equal strands, and then bring the left under the middle, right under the middle, and after 1 stitch you incorporate the hair. We're going to do lace braids. That means you only incorporate the hair from the top. You see, right under, left under, and then you bring hair in from the left hand side. Right under, hold it tight and close to the scalp, and then when there's no more hair over the ear to incorporate, you just keep on braiding until the end. I just checked if it falls nicely. Don't braid too far behind, because then it does not fall naturally, the braid does not fall naturally. So at the very end, when you have some centimeters left, I take a tiny elastic and secure the braid. For the time being, this is clipped away, and I'm going to do the right side. Same procedure, hair gel around the edges, and then again 3 equal strands. Braid over the part line and incorporate hair from the top. So when your right strand goes under, that is the one from the top, you incorporate hair, and then you close it with the left strand. The left strand goes tightly under the middle strand, and you only bring in hair now from your right hand side. Same thing. Go until over the ear, you see, braid until the end. Use some hair gel to make sure that there are no tiny hairs sticking out. That looks not so nice. We will later apply some foam that also secures, and here's the same. We're making another triangle now. I'm clipping this away for the time being. See? Here you just go straight and you create a triangle. See me drawing the line, not drawing it, I'm drawing it, and then I apply hair gel again around the edges. Remember to comb that gel through, and like this you have it equally all over the top hair, and this will avoid flyaways. It makes it easier for me to braid because I have more grip. Take from the first corner a tiny portion of hair, it's also a triangle. Split it into 3 equal strands. Here they are. And start to braid from the top, from the middle parting, under the middle, and other one under the middle. And after 1 stitch you start to incorporate hair. Make sure that you hold your fingertips right over the part line. This is where you want to place the braid. This is why the part line does not have to be super neat, because you're covering it actually with the braid. But you know, I'm always a fan of neat part lines, so try your best. If the hair is fresh washed and you don't have grip and is very fluffy, then use some water. There's no need just to take too much hair gel, because later we're going to fix the braids, like I said before, with foam, so there's no need to use too much product. I like to use products like hair oil, also to make it smoother, to make it easier to braid, or leave-in conditioner is also an option. There are many ways to handle that you have it easier to braid. You see that I don't use the comb on that side, because with my left hand I'm not so handy, so I can use it on her left hand side, but not when I have to do it with my left hand. I'm not the only one whom happens this, but you see, for me it was just easier now. My nails are getting longer and I can take the hair just with my fingertips. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe, be a new follower of ours, and you will see we are uploading 2 to 3 videos every week. And always happy if you leave us a comment or tell us what you think about our styles or have some suggestions. Feel free to leave a message and I will answer you. This is the foam I'm just applying over the braids. And I also brought it down to the braids, and now I'm incorporating everything what is braided into that little head, and use middle strong heat just to dry it, and it turns on super shiny, no more flyaways, and my model was super happy. Now you can curl the hair, or you just leave it flat iron. She wants it flat, and this is our final result. 4 braids that were in her head during 4 days. So have a good day. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.